those hooks. What's up guys, it's the Morons Hex. It's been a while since last video of this X5, but today I'll show you the acceleration. We'll make a little acceleration test on the highway, 0 to 100, 0 to 120, 140, 160 on petrol and on LPG. This is an X5 E53 before facelift, and it actually got 286 horsepower on board. Actually, it was born as IS with 347 horsepower, but now the engine is changed, as you know if you watched our previous video. So we'll see now if it has difference between LPG gas and petrol, because this car has a LPG tank inside the trunk where the spare tire is meant to be. So we'll test these times and see if actually these times are equal or very much different. I am sure the petrol will be faster, but we'll check that. So guys, let's now go and test it on the highway. I make this test now when the car is pretty stock with the stock software and it doesn't have any modifications, except it has the intake already put from 4.6 IS engine originally, and it has only the intake, which is really bigger. You can upgrade your M62, so it's actually pretty stock. Instead that intake, I plan to put the cams and of course remap it so that I will see how close I am getting to 4.6 performance. When was new, it was 6.5 to 100, and this one 286 horsepower was 7.5. So 1 second difference, guys, is really a big difference for that heavy car weighing 2.2 tons almost. So we'll see on LPG, on petrol, and after I make the changes and I put the camshafts from 4.6 and remap it, we'll check the results if we're anywhere near the performance of 4.6 IS. It's pretty interesting, so let's go now to the highway. Okay guys, we're already on the highway. Let's see how this big boy will do 0 to 100 and more. 7.5 in the stock configuration, seconds to 100 kilometers. Let's see what we'll do now without a brake applied, just full throttle, without revving and launch control simulation. We reach them. Ready guys, set and go. So these are the times, guys. After I make the changes, I will make another video on the same place so that we have a comparable results. That was on LPG. That was the acceleration on LPG. Now let's put the magic button which make it expensive running on petrol. And let we see what will be their acceleration. Okay guys, we're on petrol. Let's see how will this big boy do on petrol. Little bit more aggression, I feel. Okay, that was on petrol, guys. Let's do it one more time. This is petrol. Let's see the acceleration. Highway. Let's see, guys. Okay, without watch control simulation. Let's do it, guys, one more time. Here is little downhill, little bit. And let's go. So guys, thanks for watching that video. We'll compare the results when I make the change. I hope I will make them soon, and we'll see if we get extra power and if we get extra better time from 0 to 100, 0 to 120 and more. So stay tuned for our other videos. Watch our POV driving series too, and POV driving of that car soon, I hope, guys, just to clear some things up. My mechanic should fix some things, and we're gonna meet again in the next video. Subscribe and put the notification on so that you get all the new videos as soon as they actually pop up, so that you can access to all the new videos when they are out, when they are ready. Thank you, guys. Stay healthy and drive V8s.